In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add a Buy Now button to your Shopify product pages, allowing your customers to skip the cart and proceed directly to the checkout. This feature can significantly streamline the purchasing process for your customers, potentially boosting your conversions by making it easier and quicker for them to make a purchase. Let's dive into the simplest method you can use to implement this change without needing any custom code. First things first, let's talk about the dynamic checkout button feature. This is a fantastic tool built into many Shopify themes, which includes options like Buy Now or Pay with buttons directly integrated into your product pages. If your current theme supports it, enabling this ought to be a breeze. So, let's get started by navigating to your Shopify admin. Once you're there, head over to the online store section and click on Themes. This will bring you to a page where all your themes are listed. You want to focus on the active theme that's currently live on your store. Next, click on the Customize button right next to your active theme. This will open up the theme editor. Now, you'll need to switch to a product page in preview mode. This means you'll get to see exactly how any changes you make will appear to your customers. You can find your product page in the left side panel of the theme editor. Just look under the template section and expand it. Here, you'll have various elements of the page that you can customize. Our goal is to add the Buy buttons. Once you spot the section named Product Information, expand it. Within this section, you should see an option for Buy buttons. Click on it to bring up the options available to you. At this point, you'll want to look for an option that says Show Dynamic Checkout Buttons. There might be a simple toggle switch or a checkbox. Go ahead and enable it. This action essentially instructs Shopify to display those handy dynamic buttons on your site. After you've enabled the dynamic checkout buttons, it's crucial to save your changes. You don't want all that hard work to go to waste by forgetting to hit save, so make sure you do it. Once saved, navigate back to a product page to confirm the changes. You should now see a Buy Now button appearing alongside, or just below, the Add to Cart button on your product pages. The exact appearance might vary depending on the specific payment methods you have enabled on your store. And that's it! You've successfully added a Buy Now button to your Shopify store's product pages. This small adjustment not only enhances the shopping experience, but also potentially increases your conversion rates by reducing the number of steps a customer must take to make a purchase. Let us know in the comments below how this feature works for you and your business. Happy selling!